5 simple and healthy oatmeal recipes. Oats are a healthy grain that can be enjoyed in many different ways. Oatmeal with blueberries and strawberries. This is a simple and delicious breakfast that can be made in just minutes. Simply cook your oatmeal as usual, then top with fresh blueberries and strawberries. Banana nut oatmeal. This is another easy breakfast recipe that will keep you feeling full all morning long. Just cook your oatmeal with some chopped bananas and walnuts, then top with honey and cinnamon for sweetness. Cranberry almond oatmeal. If you're looking for a festive breakfast idea, just cook your oatmeal with orange juice, then top with fresh cranberries and almond slivers. Quinoa oatmeal. If you're looking for a more complex oat recipe, this quinoa oatmeal is just the thing. Cook your oatmeal as usual, but substitute some of it with cooked quinoa. Oatmeal chocolate bar. And finally, here's a fun oat recipe for the kids. For this one, you'll want to cook your oatmeal as usual, then pour it into a pan lined with parchment paper. Then you can use cookie cutters to cut out fun shapes and coat with melted dark chocolate. Oatmeal is a healthy breakfast choice that can be enjoyed for any meal. It's easy to make, it tastes great, and thanks to its fiber content, oatmeal can help you feel full longer, which will reduce your appetite. Click the link below to learn more. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn on those notifications so you will always know when a new video is uploaded. We can all choose to be successful on purpose. Thanks for watching.